So today you will actually start to get to cut out your leaves and other fall related drawings. So each of you will get a plastic bag that is marked with your first name where you will put your cutout pieces in. You will not get to glue anything today, but tomorrow, right away, you will get to start gluing your collage together. So remember, you can draw on your background paper if you would like, and you can have any drawings you would like as long as they are fall themed. Now I just want to show you a few pointers to use when you are cutting things out. So again, I could fill this whole paper with leaf drawings and then cut them out separate, but because of time, I have not filled my paper. So pretend that I had more leaves on here, because that's what I want you guys to have. But let's say I want to cut out this leaf right here. Now, I could try to just like go in like this and try to cut it out, but I think it's going to get kind of hard when I have this big paper kind of on the side of my hand. So what I like to do before I cut things out is I like to do something called a rough cut. And basically what I'm doing is I'm just making that paper that I'm cutting from a little bit smaller so that it's easier for me to work with, okay? When we're cutting, it's important to remember that our scissors are always kind of cutting forward in one direction. And I'm going to use my other hand to actually rotate the paper to help me cut. This will help you out a ton, rather than trying to go around like this. That becomes really difficult. For things like your stems, you can try to cut it out, you can ignore it, or you can cut it in two pieces and then glue it on later. So notice how I'm chopping in one direction and rotating the paper with my other hand. I'm chopping around. Where do you think I should turn in my, or not turn in, where do you think I should throw away my scraps? Say it if you know it. I'm not here, so I can't hear what you just said, but if you just said the garbage or recycling, you are correct. You guys can wait till the end to clean those up or clean them up as you go. Kind of depends on how you like to work. As long as you clean up your own mess, we are good. And cut. So these scraps could go in the recycling. Then nicely, I'm going to take my leaf and I'm going to unzip my bag, tuck it in, and then push the air out and close it. So you can see I have a bunch of different pieces that I'm going to use in my collage ready to go in my bag. Okay, you will do the exact same thing. If something does not fit in your bag, but you still need it, like this, you will just tuck this paper inside your folder like you normally would, even if it's a little bit smaller. But if it doesn't fit, don't try to crumple up your papers, just put them in your folder, put the smaller pieces in here, and then we will start gluing these together on Friday. I hope you guys have fun today doing some cutting and making other pieces for your collage. I can't wait to see how these turn out. Thanks for watching.